In this video we're going to be checking out the 5 best permanent makeup machine. We made this list based on our personal opinion, 34 models considered and 4 expert interviewed. Before make our final decision we test them through our own procedure. If you want more products information be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At our list number 5. Permanent Makeup Wireless, Cordless Tattoo Machine by MPMU. The Permanent Makeup Machine by MPMU is a cordless machine that works using a lithium battery or an AC/DC adapter. Once it is fully charged, it can run for up to 3 hours, giving you enough time to work on your permanent makeup. The charging time of the battery is approximately 2 hours. This makeup machine has a quiet operation and runs efficiently. The micro-shading makeup machine is crafted with an aircraft aluminum alloy that makes it quite durable. This makeup machine has 3 different speed controls, making it convenient to use. Additionally, the needles in this machine can be easily adjusted. MPMU tattoo machine can work at a rotating speed of up to 16,000 RPM. It has an ergonomic and lightweight design that makes it easy to use. The makeup pen comes in 4 different color options of gold, black, silver, and rose gold. At number 4. Complete Tattoo Machine Kit by Hori King. Hori King's Tattoo Machine Kit is a high-quality makeup kit that has a multifunctional eyebrow tattoo pen for doing permanent makeup. The rotatory pen is a high-speed gun that works precisely and quickly. It has aluminum construction, which makes it highly durable and easy to use. It has an ergonomic design that wouldn't cause any discomfort while using the machine. This lightweight makeup machine has a Swiss cordless motor that makes very little noise and produces very little heat. There is also a telescopic handle that has a ball inside. Another benefit of this permanent makeup kit is that you can send pictures through the USB port quickly. There are 15 needles available in this kit. The length of the needles in this machine can be easily adjusted. The machine has a rotating speed of up to 20,000 RPM. It is a perfect kit for beginners and doesn't need any prior training. Number 3. Permanent Makeup Pen by Videopup. The Permanent Makeup Pen by Videopup is a top-rated device that can be used for eyebrows tattoo, permanent lip liner, eyelash enhancement, and tinting. One can even use it for body tattoo design. This permanent makeup pen is made from aluminum alloy and is highly functional. It is easy to control and can get the work done quickly with complete precision. The makeup pen can run at a frequency of up to 8,000 RPM. Videopup's makeup tattoo pen is light in weight and has easy-to-change needles in it. It has a beautiful appearance as it is engraved with a dragon pattern. The design is exquisite, making it quite durable. The machine has a reliable horsepower and power supplies but at the same time doesn't make much noise. The complete package contains a tattoo eyebrow machine, an AC adapter, 50 needles, and 50 tips. Number 2. Permanent Makeup Pen Machine by Pinkyou. The Permanent Makeup Pen Machine by Pinkyou is a modern appliance as it is convenient to use and has an innovative design. The high-performance device can run at a frequency of up to 15,000 RPM. One can use it for eyelids, eyebrows, small digital tattoos, and lips. The length of the needle can be adjusted by rotating the ring. The safety cap on the machine makes using the machine more secure. The machine has a strong and sturdy construction and makes a minimum amount of noise. Pinkyou makeup machine has an anodized silver surface along with an aircraft aluminum alloy. It also has a perfect surface finish. It can be operated easily due to its lightweight design. This permanent makeup machine has 2 times longer working life than conventional machines. It is suitable for use by beginners as well as professionals. Number 1. Permanent Makeup Machine by Biomass. The Permanent Makeup Machine Kit by Biomass is a multifunctional machine that is quite versatile. It can quickly produce permanent makeup, aid in skin tightening, create body tattoos, improves wrinkles, and treat acne scars. Besides this, one can choose from the different thickness options in needles, which can help you get the perfect style that you are looking for. The design functions of this permanent makeup machine can run at frequencies between 8,000 to 10,000 revolutions per minute. Even after running at high frequencies, the Biomass kit does not create much noise. This permanent makeup kit comes with a 12 volts powerful cordless motor that makes it sturdier and more durable. The handpiece also has an adjustable scale for controlling the depth of the cartridge needles. Another benefit of the Biomass kit is that its ink does not fade quickly and can last for several years. The kit also comes with inbuilt circuit protection that prevents any types of shocks while using the kit. It is also easy to use and an excellent option for beginners. That's the wrap of Best Permanent Makeup Machine. Check more user feedback by following description box link. If you found something is missing in this video, leave your comments. Our research team will work their best to give you a fair product review.